Okay, girl. Ah! If you're gonna charge more, at least have better quality. Like if you can see the knots on my wig, you're too close. Taking just be. Don't take it. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be working with this Alipearl 5x5 body closure wig. Let me get the details. So I did film this video yesterday. I ended up editing it and even posting it, and it was up for like 15 minutes, and I took it down because I did not like the way I installed the wig. I just didn't like the video. I didn't like my makeup. I didn't like nothing. So I just redid the install, which I really liked today, and I had more positive things to say about the wig today because yesterday I was not feeling this wig. So I ordered it from FedEx. I ordered it from Alipearl, but it shipped with FedEx. I ordered it August 9th. It shipped August 15th, and it got delivered August 19th. And the details on this wig. So the name of this wig is Body Wave Hair 5x5 Closure Wig. Pre-plucked affordable human hair wigs. That's a long title, but it claims to be pre-plucked. It was affordable, you know. I got a 16-inch 180 density. The cap size is small and the lace color is transparent, and I paid $153.03 for this wig. It wasn't on sale, so that's the original price, but they have sales all the time. This video is not sponsored, and I ordered it from the official Alipearl website and not the AliExpress store. But yeah, like I said, I did install this wig yesterday and I hated it, so I had to literally put on the same clothes that I had on yesterday, do my makeup all over again, and reinstall this wig because I just wasn't feeling it. And I want to put out quality videos that I actually like, because if I can't even watch the video without being like, oh my god, like my wig look messed up or my hair look messed up, I don't expect anybody else to watch my videos. So yeah, y'all gonna see me reinstall the wig. I am gonna insert a clip of me unboxing the wig, so y'all will see everything that the wig came with. It did come with a lot of stuff, which I like. You know, guess that's why, you know, it was $150, because I honestly have never paid $150 for a 16-inch wig. I can get that for $120, but I talk about that in the video. And another thing I wanted to say was, I'm gonna insert a clip of me hot combing the hair from yesterday, because I didn't have to re-hot comb it today because it's still, like, the lace is still really flat. So yeah, the clip of me hot combing my hair, that'll be from yesterday, but everything else is today. And I didn't include a clip of me plucking the lace and bleaching the knots because I have a video like that on my channel. So if you want to see me plucking the lace and bleaching the knots, just go watch that video. It'll be up in the cards and in the description box. And I also didn't record myself curling it because I have a dedicated video of me curling my hair with a flat iron on my channel, and it's very detailed. So if you want to know how to curl your hair with a flat iron, go watch that video. That'll be up in the cards too. I feel like I've been talking for so long. Oh man, my fan is on. I pray y'all can't hear my fan. If y'all hear my fan, I'm so sorry. It's on the lowest setting and I really forgot to turn it off, so sorry if you can hear my fan. Here come the video. Thank you for watching. So I don't do the ball cap method because I just don't like doing it. I just like to put a little bit glue around my edges, and then I take the wig off at the end of the day. I don't like sleeping in my wigs. and I'm using this. And I just use a really thin layer. And then I kind of let this get tacky a little bit. It look kind of oily. Let it get tacky a little bit. And just place it on there. These knots did not want to bleach. I might have to go back in and bleach the knots again. Then I'm gonna take, hold up, let me press that down a little bit more. I'm gonna take this. This was in the package when I got it, and I always wanted to try this method. I see a lot of people doing it, and I will say this is hard to tie. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and, you know, do a little bit more stuff. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I installed this wig yesterday, and I really liked the install, but on camera it just didn't look right. So y'all won't see me hot combing the hair today because I did it yesterday and it don't need hot combing. So I'll just insert the clip of me hot combing the hair yesterday so y'all can see how I hot comb my hair, and y'all can see what kind of hot comb I use. Okay, so this is the hair. As you can see, the knots are still very much there. I haven't did my baby hair yet. That's from yesterday. What I will say about these knots, they are very, 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 very thick and kind of hard to bleach. Like, I definitely bleached the knots and I tinted the lace, and it's still like a little bit wonky, so whatever. Now I'm about to curl my hair with the flat iron, and then I'm gonna come back and do my baby hairs. The reason why I'm not gonna curl my hair with y'all today is because I have a video of me curling my hair on my channel already, and it's very informational. So I'm gonna probably just still do it on camera, but just speed it up. But if you want a detailed tutorial on how I curl my hair with the flat iron, go watch that video. Okay, so I curled my hair. I'm gonna use this. Every product that I show y'all will be in the description box. Just use a little bit, but you can put this on before you curl your hair or after. Sometimes I put it on before if I feel like I need some added moisture. And I just brush it back. And I do that with both sides. I'll paddle brush. Ooh, okay, girl. So that's how I'm feeling right now. These curls are beautiful. So I really hate that I didn't like the video that I filmed yesterday, because I talked about a lot of stuff as far as like these wigs and these hair companies, and I'm gonna repeat what I said, but I'm gonna probably just go in more detail today. Basically yesterday what I was saying is not to like talk bad about this company or any company, but I just felt like, let me unplug my flat iron first. I just feel like a lot of these companies are not worth the price that they what do I want to say? I just feel like this wig, I forgot the specific details on it, but I know that it's 180 density, and I'm using this to slick my edges. It's 180 density and it's a 16-inch. And I've worn a lot of wigs, and I can tell you, like, this does not feel like a 16-inch. It stopped right there. Usually my 16 inches are at least under my titties, but that's not the only thing. Like, for it to be 180 density, I do feel like it's very thin. It probably don't look thin to y'all on camera, but I promise you it's thin. And I wouldn't have a problem with that if I would have ordered 150 density, 120 density, 130, whatever. I don't even think it's a 120 density. But for me to order 180 density, I definitely expected, my edges are shedding. I definitely just expected better quality in terms of the hair. And like, I know the hair not gonna be perfect. I'm not asking for perfect hair. If I wanted perfect hair, I already know how much perfect hair would cost. But it's just the fact that this hair is not even all that, and it's still low-key a lot. Like, I paid $153 for this, and that's not bad for a wig at all. $153 is not bad, but $153 for a 16-inch that looked like a 14-inch, I do feel like that's bad. And you know, this company is very talked about. Like, it's always them, Eunice, Nadula, just, it's certain companies that when you type in wig, they're gonna pop up, and I just don't understand. And I understand, like, they marketing, so like a lot of people might a lot of people might order from them based off of the videos they see on YouTube, because I do know YouTuber Erica J, she does really good wig installs. Like, she's basically known for having really good wig installs, and she has a video for them. They sent her a wig, and it has so many views. It has millions of views, and I just feel like having a cosign from somebody like her, and her being able to slay the heck out of one of their wigs, I feel like that kind of contributes to the fact that they feel like they can charge so much more than other companies. But I will say is that if you're going to charge more, at least have better quality. One thing I will say I like about this wig is the fact that it's a closure, so I can throw it on, throw a little bit glue on. My part look like it's going that way, but I promise you my part is straight. But I can just throw this wig on, throw some glue on with the wig, and be out the door. But that's not them. Like, I can get a closure wig from anywhere. So I do see myself wearing this wig a lot, simply because it is easy. I do feel like it's a beginner wig. Y'all see these curls? They look nice. The wig curled beautifully. It is a beginner wig, so if you're somebody who don't know much about wigs, I do feel like you should get a closure wig to start off with. Maybe not a 150, because you can go to another company and get this same wig, density, length, all that for 120. So I don't know. Wigs are an investment, but some stuff just be, you know, outrageous. And like 150 is not a lot for a wig, but like a lot of the other wigs on a website are like 200 plus. So I don't know, maybe I gotta pay more to see better quality, but I can definitely get this from somewhere else. But I do like the way this looked though, y'all. Like, this look good. I had a lot to say because I was very irritated by, like, I was just irritated. Only thing I liked about the hair yesterday was the fact that it curled nicely, but I feel like today I have more nice things to say about it because this is my second time installing it. So I like the do I like the lace? Not really. You see the knots, and I bleached the knots, plucked the lace, and you still see the knots, and I tinted the lace and you still see the knots. So I don't know, if that irritates you, you're probably not gonna like this wig, but that don't really irritate me. Because ain't nobody that close to me to be seeing my knots. Like, if you can see the knots on my wig, you're too close. I think that's all I had to say about the wig. I'm so mad I had to reinstall it because I like to have like a fresh like review of my first time putting the wig on, but I just did not like the way my makeup looked. I didn't like the way I put the wig on. I didn't like I like the way the hair curled, but one side of my hair was curled tighter than the other. I just didn't like it, so I'm glad I retried it because I like my makeup today. I barely got on makeup though. Just did the brows, and you know, I did a little bit. I'm gonna start doing minimal makeup and just doing lashes, lips. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe.